must say, this lighting, it's a new thing, I like it. Hey, what is up, guys? It is 2 days later after Jen's video, and I hope you guys are sticking around because there is so much amazing stuff that is going to be happening, and I really want you guys to be a part of it. So today's video is kind of a teaser of what this channel is going to look like in the next few months, year, whatever.
Losing my fortune, I'd be losing my fortune.
Give or take, I kind of change my vibes like every single video. It's how to stay, I don't know, creative. You always gotta be striving to do something new and better. I hope you guys enjoyed that intro I did for this video. And I will be talking a little bit more in depth about how I got those shots and what you actually need to get those shots. You really don't need much equipment, you just need creativity to get your shot. For example, to get all the slider shots, I actually just used a book or rag to get those smooth panning shots. Exactly like this. At the beginning, I thought I had to have tons of equipment, tons of tools, tons of sliders, expensive stuff, but really it takes a little bit of time, patience, and your creativity to get the right shots. So yeah, back to whatever I was talking about. The way I started even into film was so random. I was actually watching Casey Neistat's videos, and I was watching and I was like, I really want to remember the moments of my school. And so I started documenting them on someone else's phone and editing them on someone else's phone. It wasn't even mine. And the more I did it, I asked a friend if I could edit on iMovie on their computer. And then I asked another friend if I could borrow their GoPro, and I started doing this more and more and more. It's not always about the expensive equipment and the right gear. It's more how you use and how you're creative to do the things to get the shots. Let me just go through these lighting systems here. This was $15, and I think this was 20 bucks on Amazon. So I just want to tell you guys that it doesn't take long to get the skills you want to create stuff like I do. I bought this camera last spring. My first cinematic video was in August with my friend Mark. By the way, was insane. And basically what I got in my head from that video was, I can produce something just like everyone else. All these creators you see online are normal people. They all started from the same place we start, unless they're like A-class actors' kids. But most social media stars come from the very bottom, or they come from their own creativity, and that's what I love about YouTube. People recognize, they capture what you are, and they want to follow that, and they want to do that. But for me, for this channel, I want to inspire you to do what I'm doing and to create your own social media or your own creativity, anything. Like for me, it's film. For me, it's making, it's editing, filming, and doing that together, because the way I film actually goes with the way I edit. So I will be going to teach you guys more in depth on how to actually make videos like I do, and to make it your own, because you can always copy someone, but you can always copy someone else, make it better, and do it in your own way to make it your own. So basically, the title of this video is about editing for 10 hours to get 1 minute of footage. The edit that I will be showing you is from a day I was with my friend Brendan Wills, and we went out to Lin Canyon and just shot all day. It was just like, it was really fun. I didn't expect to make an edit from that video, but I saw the footage, I was really happy with it, and I made this video. What's up, everybody? I am currently out on the edge of this one place in Lin Canyon. It is nuts, so pretty. We're about like halfway down the chute, maybe a little bit more. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh man, it's raining. Its hands are cold. It's actually pretty cold. It snowed yesterday or today. I don't even know. Yesterday. February.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Rock climbing Monday, snow on fucking.
Oh my goodness, dude. That's nuts. What is up, everybody? I'm currently out here with Brennan, and we are shooting Lin Canyon Falls, and it is a semi-snowy, rainy day. But this video took me about 10 hours total in 10 consecutive hours, like no distractions, nothing like that, to get 1 minute of footage. Let me just snap to...
So baby, if I know your name somehow, would it be enough for my love? And I try, 'cause even if we stay, you and I'm losing my fortune. I'd be losing my fortune. Just like a child. Just like a child.
Even though I didn't even plan to make a film from that, I did. And I was able to do it by just creatively looking at what I shot, blending it together with transitions to make something look really cool. With camera angles, you always want to try and find the most unique angle. Think of it, what hasn't been done? What have I not been done before? What has no one done before? And then film it. Just do a creative angle. So what I like to do is zoom in my camera all the way, put the focus ring to wide open so it's looking at the closest thing to your camera, and then I put it into 120 frames. You can do 60 frames and just slow down your movements. And I did this for the egg shot, and you just push your camera towards it and you just do this. And it gives it this very cinematic shot, and it kind of cheats peaking with this simple movement, and I've used it in so many videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the edit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stick around because there's literally so much stuff. So much stuff is happening. It's a journey for me, and it's gonna be a journey for you. And I really want you guys to come on this with me, because I want to inspire you to create, because I got inspired by other people, and you guys can do the exact same thing. It only took about 7 months for me to really start making these films to where I am now. So if you have any base knowledge of editing, you can get to this state too very quickly. It just takes passion and all of that other stuff and a creative eye. Be creative. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next from me, and give me ideas on what videos you guys would like. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.
Know your name somehow, would it be enough for my love? And I try, 'cause even if we stay, you and I'm losing my fortune. I'd be losing